All right, we are going to work on our homework number 10 from our assignment today. So we're on page 67, and number 10, fundraising. The school glee club needs a total of $4,500 for a trip to Omaha, Nebraska. To make money, members are selling baseball caps for $4.50 and sweatshirts for $12.50. So let's select the baseball caps will be B. That's the baseball caps. And then their sweatshirts. I'll let S equal the sweatshirts. And the baseball caps are $4.50 each. So $4.50 for each baseball cap, plus $12.50 for each sweatshirt. And we want that to add up to a total of $4,500. That's what the equation would look like in standard form, except it says in part A to graph that equation, where X is the number of baseball caps and Y is the number of sweatshirts. So they have the same thing, but instead of B, they're using X. So $4.50 times X plus $12.50 times Y equals 4,500. If I were to graph this equation, I would probably start with an X and Y chart, and I would let X be 0. And if we let X be 0, then $4.50 times X is going to be 0, and then we need to figure out how many times does $12.50 go into 4,500. So if we took 4,500 divided by 12, that is 300 and divided by 1250. I did it wrong. 4,500 divided by 1250. That would be 360 sweatshirts. And then if we let Y be 0, in other words, you didn't sell any of the sweatshirts, you would divide both sides by 450, and you'd get X is 100. Actually, 1,000. So the graph then would look something like this. The x-intercept is going to be at 1,000. Here's 250, 500, 750, 1,000 to be right up here somewhere. And the y-intercept, here's 250, 500, 360 is going to be about here somewhere. And our line is going to look something like this. Now we could have a mixture of them. Sell some sweatshirts and some baseball caps would be somewhere along this line. But then part B of that question says to explain the meaning of the x and the y-intercepts. Well, the meaning of the y-intercept is that if there aren't any baseball caps that are sold, you'd have to sell 360 sweatshirts. And the meaning of the x-intercept is that if you didn't sell any sweatshirts, you'd have to sell a total of 1,000 baseball caps. And that is what number 10 should look like in your homework assignment. We're doing all the way up through number 40, and I think I'm going to stop right there and just do that problem and just open up this discussion so that if you have questions, you can post a question on here. And good luck on your homework tonight. There's a good chance we'll have a homework assignment or a homework quiz tomorrow.